The Ellenex wireless liquid level sensor is a submersible liquid tank monitoring system designed to measure and provide detailed information with high accuracy about liquid storage tanks in a wide range of industrial fields. The device has a ruggedized design for harsh environments, is IP66 or 68 rated, UV resistant, and its low power consumption gives the device a 10-year battery lifespan. Ellenex offers the widest range of LoRaWAN solutions that are ultra-low power, significantly lowering the connectivity costs, while providing much better signal penetration and a longer battery life, and they are integratable to most global networks. The device is designed to work in a wide range of environments, where the liquid might be steady, such as in water tanks, diesel tanks, water wells, and dams, and where the liquid is moving, like with rivers and other water sources. Now let's see what's inside the box. We have the electronic housing for the transmitter and the sensor head connected with a cable, a U-shaped mounting bracket and mounting nut, 4 mounting screws, and a device activation guide. The U-shaped mounting bracket is used to hold the device and has 4 screw holes on 2 sides for horizontal or vertical installation. Once you have secured the mounting bracket to a surface, it's very easy to attach the device. Firstly, feed the sensor head through the hole, and then through the mounting nut. Then you can screw the end of the device into the mounting nut, and that's it. Here are some general tips for installing the sensor. When submerging the sensor head in liquid, leave about 10 to 15 centimeters of space from the ground to avoid blockage by dirt or other sediment. Any extra cable can be coiled at the top. If sensor head holes are blocked, gently open the cap and shake it in water or a chemical compatible with stainless steel. But be very careful, the sensor diaphragm is very sensitive, so never touch the diaphragm or clean it with a fabric or water pressure. Any deformation of the diaphragm puts it out of operation. You can install the sensor housing on the side of the tank, but on top of the tank is recommended for a better signal reception. While the standard level sensors are IP66 rated and the enclosure is UV protected, it is always better to install it under cover with less exposure to direct sunlight or rain. The sensor transmitter should also be installed up high and should not be submerged underwater. If there is a chance of that happening, maybe due to heavy rain or flood, use our IP68 rated level sensor instead, the PLS2. To turn on the device, just press the on button. You'll know it's on when the blue light flashes. To activate it, make sure you're signed up and logged into the platform or mobile app. On the menu, go to Add New Device where you can enter the serial number or scan the QR code on the device. Enter the transfer code found on the activation guide, and then press Add. The platform includes a number of cool features, such as a graph displaying the change in water levels over time, and you can check the device's charge level and signal. You also have the ability to set customizable alerts. Here, I'll set an alert to notify me when the water level exceeds 3 meters high, and these notifications can be sent via SMS or email. For more information about this product, visit www.ellenex.com. And it's really easy to make an order. Just go to www.ellenex.shop.